So hello guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. So let's move forward into this course. What kind of course? Absolutely, definitely a short course of computer hardware where you will all learn the basic to advanced parts, okay, all the parts of computer hardware and how they work in computer hardware in a very simple and easy language to make you understand. Okay, so let's go with Mission Parivartan. So here we go. First of all, network interface card, okay, NIC. It is like a special translator for your computer. So it helps your computer talk to other computers and devices on a network like the internet. The NIC is like a communication bridge that allows your computer to send and receive information over the network. When you connect your computer to the internet or a local network, the NIC, okay, what NIC means? Network interface card plays a very crucial role in it. So it has a unique address which is called a MAC, not a MacBook, okay? MSC, MAC address. It helps your computer understand the language of the network. Just like a person needs a phone call number to make someone call, okay? So your computer needs a NIC to connect and communicate with other devices on a network. So let's understand now how NIC works, means network interface card. So a network interface card works as an essential component that enables communication between your computer and a network such as the internet, or I can say it a local area network. But here is a very simplified explanation method of how NIC works. One by one, let's go. So the NIC is a hardware component that is physically connected to your computer. Definitely. It is often integrated into the computer's motherboard, okay? But it can also be a separate expansion card. So each NIC has a unique identifier called a media access control, means MAC, okay, media access control address, okay. So this MAC address is a series of numbers and letters assigned to the NIC, making it distinct from the other devices on the network. Here NIC operates at the data link layer of the OSI model, which is responsible for creating a reliable link between two directly connected nodes. It takes data from the upper layers of the OSI model, such as the network layer, and prepare it for the transmission over the network. And here, before data is sent over the network, the NIC encapsulates mean cover, box, okay, I repeat this word, encapsulates it by adding a header and trailer, like a movie trailer. No, it is just a trailer. Header and trailer. The header contains information like the source and destination, but media access card addresses, while the trailer include error checking information. The NIC is connected to the network medium, which can be Ethernet cables for wired networks or radio waves. For wireless networks, it converts the data into electronic signals for wired connections or radio signals for wireless connection, suitable for transmission over the network. And here is the NIC is responsible for both, means sending, matlab transmitting, and receiving data when your computer needs to send information to the network. The NIC takes the data, encapsulates, encapsulates means cover, box it means cover it and send it out. When your computer needs to receive data, the NIC detects incoming signals, decodes them and passes the information to the higher layer of the OSI model. And here are two also. The first one is the NIC includes mechanism for error handling, such as checking for the transmission errors and ensuring the integrity of the data being sent for received. Okay. The other one is the NIC means Network Interface Card, supports communication protocol such as Ethernet for wired networks or Wi-Fi standards for wireless networks. These protocols define the rules for how data is formatted, transmitted and received on the network. So this was the information on the Network Interface Card. Okay, now you can subscribe our channel if you like the way I talk in videos.